Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, as you can see, I am going to build my own computer, and I am going to introduce you guys what I need to build my own computer. First is I have this computer case, and it is a cool master. Okay, it's new guys. It's very cute. And also next is I have this power supply. It's Panteks. I really love this one. So I'm so excited. I did not yet open. And we have also, very important is the motherboard. I got this in Newegg. It's Asus Prime. This is it's nice. So I'm so excited guys to open. I am really excited to build my own computer. And next is I got my old video card. This is still working, and I'm hoping it's gonna work when I build my own computer guys. Yeah. And also I have this. Can you see this guys? This one. This is a NVMe solid state drive. So this is what I'm going to use. And also we have 32GB RAM, G.SKILL. They said this is nice for gaming, so let's see. I'm not a gamer. But anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. And also, we have this 9th generation Core i5 CPU and a heatsink, guys. This is my old, but this one, it's new. And lastly, I have this operating system. It's Windows 10, guys. So let's build now my computer. Okay guys, because I'm too excited to build my computer, I'm gonna open now. Okay. So first we have to do this power supply. And we are going to open the motherboard. This is quite expensive. Oh. The wire. Hello, hello. My goodness, it took some effort to put the motherboard in the case. I don't know what happened, but luckily, I put it together and I asked some help to a professional computer builder, and as you can see, I already put everything. So now I have to fix the wirings because I don't want the wire here. So come and check. Yeah. There you go, guys. It's super duper hard to connect all the wires, and I just put the CPU. That CPU over there. Yeah. This one. Yeah. This one. My goodness, it took me 2 hours just to set up everything. I think 3 hours. Guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't take a video of me putting all these wires. But this is the final outcome. Can you see it? Okay, so you can see the final outcome. But later, I still have to do something. I still have to put the operating system and also my monitor. Anyway, I have to show you guys what did I put on how did I build my computer. So you can see this is the computer case, this is the power supply, and the motherboard. I don't know if you can see, guys, the motherboard, this one. Oh, it took me so long to put that motherboard, and I need help just to put everything, the screw. Oh, you don't have any idea, guys. So if you really want to build your own computer, you really have to be patient, and you know, you have to search in the YouTube, search in the internet, where to put all those wires. You can see I fixed all the wires also. I want my computer clean. Yeah, and this is now the video card. I put the video card. It's easy to put the video card. And I also put the hard drive inside of this CPU and the heatsink here. Can you see it, guys? Yeah, and also this part is the RAM. Okay, that part is the RAM, and this very small one here, the very important also, is the hard drive. This one is small one, is hard drive. Okay, guys, and this one is operating system. I hope you like it, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Okay, guys, I finished putting everything. If you can see, my CPU is down because, you know, it's so heavy. I cannot put it here. And I need to put my monitor and of course my laptop. So everything that I build, I already put the operating system Windows 10, and I update it, and look, ready to go. So, It's time to flex everybody. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you like it. When you want to build your own computer, you can always ask me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.